Yeah, man. Roots and culture. There are many questions in my heart as I look at the world and the people in it. I keep asking, why is my heart filled with love, yet the people I love return hatred? Why do I wish peace for others, yet some repay me with disrespect? Why do I suffer for the oppressed, while the oppressors celebrate? Why do those who exploit others prosper, while the innocent carry the weight? Why does the truth walk so slowly, while lies sit on golden thrones? Why are the righteous always tested, while the wicked seem at home? Why is this world this way? Why does evil fight against good? Why do the weak keep crying, while the powerful rule the neighborhood? Why do some build their fortunes on the tears and pain of others, Lord? Show us the path of peace, for this world needs more love than ever. Isn't justice the road to wealth? Why do those who practice it succeed? Is deception the key to fortune? Why do so many follow greed? I see hungry children crying, I see widows calling for help, I see the sick left abandoned, while the mighty enrich themselves. I hear the voices of the voiceless, I hear the cries of the oppressed, I hear the pain of the forgotten, still searching for justice and rest. I look up into the heavens, searching for an answer above, but a voice deep inside keeps telling me, stay strong and never abandon love. I believe peace still exists, because the humble choose humility, because people with kind hearts choose forgiveness over revenge. What if the loving became hateful? What if kindness turned into cruelty? It would never end well. Darkness would cover humanity. What if the oppressed sought vengeance? What if every wound demanded blood? Peace would disappear forever, and the world would drown in a flood. What if every victim fought hatred with hatred? What if bitterness ruled every soul? This earth would become a place of sorrow, and no one would remain whole. Peace exists not because evil is absent. Peace exists because some choose restraint, because the wounded still choose mercy, and the suffering refuse to become what they hate. But if things continue this way, if injustice keeps taking the throne, if cruelty keeps being rewarded, then danger will reach every home. When evil keeps winning unchecked, even the righteous begin to lose hope. When love finds no place to live, even dreams struggle to cope. Let us stand for the powerless. Let us speak for those denied a voice. For the day love disappears from this earth, humanity will lose its choice. Why is this world this way? Why does evil fight against good? Why do the weak keep crying, while the powerful rule the neighborhood? Why do some build their fortunes on the tears and pain of others, Lord? Show us the path of peace, for this world needs more love than ever. Though darkness fills the world, law. The powerful may rule today, but truth shall never die. Hold on to love, hold on to peace, and keep your head held high. Lord, guide us. Lord, protect us. Because this world belongs to all of us. One love, one heart, one destiny.